Oh man, I'm sure. Yeah, I mean, I imagine around season 64 we'll probably call it.
I'm in my walker. I can't see the screen.
Hopefully by then there won't even be screens. We'll be using the Hypercube space iPad for 20,000.
We'll go back in time and do the season 20 years earlier. So
Yeah.
we'll see it.
That was a good one. You shake it like that.
Thank you.
I think what's cool about our show is that it's, we're sort of in this new media world where there's no set distribution. Our episodes started out at 3 minutes a pop, and then now that we're doing 12-minute episodes, so there are no rules, like there is in television where it's 22 minutes and then there's 8 minutes of commercials, and or maybe now it's like 14 minutes of show and mostly commercials, but so we're just evolving with the medium. I mean, we're talking a lot about maybe doing half hours, maybe doing like, longer form movie types. I mean, there's a million options for us, and as long as you guys keep being awesome and supporting us, I think that there's a lot of places that we can grow to. I mean, it's really off the backs of you guys that we're able to do any of this. I mean, the first season of the show was all out of Felicia and Kim's pocket, and I was donating cameras, and everybody was donating their time, and we're all, eating breadcrumbs. And then we had a PayPal button, and it wasn't, we wouldn't make episodes until that PayPal button was clicked enough, such that we had enough cash to shoot 3 or 4 episodes in a weekend. So I think that's how it started, and because of that, Felicia owns the show, and she's able to maintain ownership, and no one can tell her what to do, and it's probably the core reason why you guys all still love the show is because of that. And so I think as long as it retains that independent spirit and that connection with you guys, we'll keep growing and keep going. I mean, that's what I want to do.
Good luck, you guys, and great work.
Thank you very much.